Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change your engine air filter here. This is a 2012 BMW X5. This is a diesel. That's why the engine looks a little weird compared to the inline 6. The inline 6 is probably a little bit different, but the same idea applies. First you want to remove the cover. Let's go ahead and do that, and then you can see here is a clipping box and a lot of wires, a lot of wires, nuts and bolts. Don't be scared of it, that's okay, but we're focusing on these ones here. You want to remove these, not really remove, just undo them gently. There's that. There's one here. We're gonna have to undo this here, so we can undo this. Now that we undid this, we need to undo this here. You press these sides clip here, this and this, and pull out gently. You see, it comes off. So we're gonna have to finish. Oh, here's another one. Here's one here. All right. Seems like it's coming off. You can see there's your air filter. And here's your mass airflow sensor. Whoa. The new one in, and close this guy back up again, clip it up, do this here, and here's your air filter replaced. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.